Valentine's Day may be past, but you can enjoy hearts and flowers and jewelry all year long, especially when those things are combined. So I have some new jewelry to share with you that does feature some gorgeous hearts and floral components in designs that are truly timeless. If we are just meeting, my name is Vicki LaRoe with Create and Adorn. Thank you so much for selecting this video today. On this channel each week, I share new contemporary jewelry designs that focus on using minimal materials, minimal techniques, and taking minimal time, but that deliver maximum impact. So if that sounds like fun to you, I hope you'll consider subscribing. So as mentioned, I'm going to show you some new designs. Some of these are available as kits. Some of them are upcoming online classes we have available, and some are both. And then some, I just have the individual components I want to show you as well. And I will link all those below, of course, and talk about each one as we go through them. So, as mentioned, there's no reason hearts can't be used all year round. And so a couple of these designs I think I featured before, but I just love to show them because they are timeless. This is our beautiful sweetheart pendant necklace. I just taught this with an earring, but it's available as a kit still. I think she's only $18, and it features a really gorgeous high quality freshwater pearl there. And so it's a classic heart, but I think on a little more of a modern twist or design to her. Then I think she's really beautiful. Another kit that I've had before but still really love is our Chains Around My Heart pendant, which is the same heart but in gold, and then a little different design, and I've combined the gold and the gunmetal with a little dangle there with a pearl and a crystal. So I think she's really gorgeous, and this one's available in the gunmetal silver mix as well. And so that heart, let me show you some the little components, right? So there's the little satin heart, and she's so cute. It's about the size of a quarter, maybe a little bigger, that are available on our website. I think she's like $2.50 or so. This is a cute little heart, right? Little classic style, and she's available in the satin silver, satin gold. She's only like $1.25 each, but that's a great size, a little bigger than a dime. And then we have our little bitty heart. It's not that bitty, but it's about 20 millimeters tall by 12 millimeters wide, and she's available in the satin silver and gold as well. And I have used that little bitty one in this really cute charm bracelet that is available as a kit and also as a upcoming online class on the 27th of this month, so coming up soon. So of course, depending on when you're watching this video, classes may be past or the kits may no longer be available, but always the little components or things that we've used to make our designs are. Isn't she beautiful? I just think that's such a fun little design. I want to make sure you can see her with all her little dangles. And then I've woven 2 chains and leather cord. This is a silver metallic leather cord with a big lovely magnet clasp. But I just think with little crystals and pearls throughout the whole thing. She's so pretty. So I think this kit is $24-ish. I will leave of course the links and a discount code available down below. And if you don't, of course, do the online classes with us, each of our kits always include full instructions. We call them style sheets because they always will include other ways to wear them, ways to style them. But it always has all the instructions with full step-by-step photos. So that comes with each one of our kits. But yeah, she's just beautiful. So I think there's the deadline to sign up for this class is coming up this Friday, like on the 19th. So it's very, very soon. But that is so I can ship you your kit in order for you to make it with us in class. I'm going to move on to flowers, some little floral jewelry. This is a class I have upcoming that the deadline's passed to sign up for her, but the kit is still available. This is our Dancing Daisies necklace. Isn't she beautiful? It's really, really pretty. And this is the silver, we call it silver, and then it's also available in silver gunmetal, where the textured chain is the gunmetal. And so that'll be really pretty in that color story that focuses on using our little bitty flowers. I'm going to try to show them here. They're a tiny, tiny flower. That's the gold one. And there she goes. Oh, here she is. This is our no editing, but yeah, she's just lovely. So it's available in gold and silver. Such pretty little flowers. So our new kit, besides our Queen of Hearts bracelet, is our Pearl Blossoms necklace. There's the pendant necklace, and I have an earring, so it's available as a set. And there's the earring. Let me take it off the stand and I'll put it on a little board for you to see. She's so pretty. So these are our Pearl Blossom. It's an earring and necklace set. I think the kit is $32 for all the materials and the instructions to make both. Pretty, huh? Oh, yeah. So cute. And so these little components with the pearl in it, those are not available individually. We make those in class or in the kit. There's full instructions, of course, how to make them. But I think that's going to be just a precious little kit. So that class is coming up in March on the 13th. And in all of these listings for these kits, there'll be an option to sign up for the online class if you'd like to join us live in class via Zoom. There's that option. And like I mentioned, if you don't or if classes pass, it always includes all the step-by-step instructions anyway. And then oftentimes the class video is available afterwards also to purchase as well. Lots and lots of options for you to learn how to make these gorgeous pieces. So there's that one, the Pearl Blossoms. And then the last one I'm going to show is our Rosebud tassel necklace. And I'm going to kind of get up close for her to see. I made these little rosebuds, little pearl rosebuds. Look how pretty. At the bottom. Focus. That's with the leather. And it's not a lariat, even though it looks like one. There's a clasp in the back. Clasp. And it can be worn longer. I think it's going to be prettier worn shorter. But I've made the little caps into rosebuds. And then it's mixed with the leather cord and chain, and I just think she's so pretty. So this one is going to be on March 20th is the online class, and the kit is $28. Again, I will link all those below. And then in that kit, as well as this is Buds and Blooms. I've had this kit for a while on our website, but she's still up there. It's a beautiful, very popular kit that uses our little tulip cones. Here's a little tulip cone in gold, and get to focus. This is so pretty. So I used her here, and in many other kits because it's just a beautiful, beautiful little cone. So, like the designs I've showed you, all the components are available individually on the website. Or this hopefully will just give you some inspiration for different ways that you can use your different components and chains and for yourself. So that is it for this week. I'll mention our online classes are open to anyone. They are $20. I will also leave a link though for our Modern Jewelry Creator membership, because for members classes are free. So it's a great deal. It's a monthly membership that gets you lots of bonuses, the style sheets and the video class to every single design I've showed you. So every new kit and design, members get the style sheet and the video tutorial and class for free. Like, it's such a great deal, and I put out new ones each week. So if you like this video, I hope you'll like it. I hope you'll consider subscribing and join me back next week with some brand new designs. And until then, go out there, sparkle brightly like the star that you are. Peace.